Before buying summer gadgets, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. And that's how these products can either save your summer or just be a waste of money.
Product number 1, Fiskars Power Lever Shears. We have the Fiskars Power Lever Extendable Hedge Shears. Priced at $25.50, these caught my eye with their self-sharpening serrated steel blades and the ability to extend from 25 to 33 inches. If you want powerful, clean cuts for high or hard-to-reach areas, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this matters for you. The self-sharpening feature ensures that you get a crisp cut every time, which is crucial for maintaining plant health. The low-friction blade coating reduces gumming, making your job easier, especially if you're working with multiple hedges. Plus, the extendable handles give you 2 times power leverage, a game changer when you need to reach those tall spots without straining. Nearly 8,000 people bought these last month, which speaks volumes. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it feels a bit heavy during prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your hedge trimming, a little weight can actually help with sturdiness and control. It's a balance, and for many, it won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a professional landscaper or a dedicated gardening enthusiast who needs reliable tools. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight or just casual trimming. For the price, it offers excellent value. Now, if the weight of the Fiskars bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Sunjo 2-in-1 Shear and Trimmer. We have the Sunjo 2-in-1 Cordless Grass Shear and Hedge Trimmer. At $29.97, this nifty little tool caught my attention with its cordless convenience and lightweight design. If you're looking for versatility in your trimming, this is a solid option. This product is designed specifically for easy handling. It features a 7.2-volt battery that powers both a 4-inch grass shear and a 6-inch hedge trimmer blade. This means you can switch between tasks without needing multiple tools. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, it's super easy to carry and control, which is great if you're handling more intricate landscaping jobs. The built-in safety switch offers peace of mind, especially when you're working in tight spots. With over 5,000 sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some users reported that the battery life could be a bit short for extensive trimming sessions. But here's my take. This tool is perfect for quick tasks in small gardens, so if you have smaller jobs, it's not a big deal. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard or need something lightweight for quick trimming tasks. Skip this one if you're tackling larger hedges or need extensive runtime. For the price, it's a great deal. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger projects.
Product number 3, Black & Decker 17-inch Trimmer. We have the Black & Decker Electric Hedge Trimmer, a corded model, priced at $39. This one stood out to me with its dual-action 17-inch blade and reduced vibration features. If you want a reliable trimmer that handles thicker branches easily, this is worth checking out. The 3.2 amp motor efficiently cuts branches up to 5/8 inch thick, which is perfect for maintaining more mature hedges. The dual-action blade design reduces vibration, making longer trimming sessions much more comfortable. Plus, the cord retention system ensures that you won't accidentally unplug it while working. This model has sold over 3,000 units recently, indicating that many find it effective. However, some users mention that being corded can limit your range. Here's the thing though, if you're working in a yard with easy access to power outlets, you won't have to deal with battery life issues or recharging. For many, this is a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you have a large yard and access to power while trimming. Skip this one if you prefer the flexibility of cordless tools. Given the performance, it's a solid investment. Now, if the corded nature of the Black & Decker bothered you, the next one may address that concern.
Product number 4, Black & Decker 22-inch Trimmer. Another Black & Decker model, this time the 22-inch electric hedge trimmer, priced at $49. This caught my eye because it's designed for larger hedges and shrubs. If you're dealing with bigger projects, this could be just what you need. The 4.0 amp motor delivers ample power to cut branches up to 3/4 inch thick, making it very capable for heavier trimming jobs. The dual action blade means smoother operation with less vibration, which is a significant plus when you're tackling extensive greenery. Its lightweight construction and full wraparound handle provide comfort and superior control. Seeing over 2,000 units sold indicates it's a reliable choice for many. Some users felt that it could be a bit unwieldy for very detailed work due to its size, But honestly, if you're handling larger hedges, that extra length can be a lifesaver, helping you get the job done faster. This is perfect for you if you have large hedges or shrubs that need regular maintenance. Skip this if you need something more compact for detailed work. For the performance it offers, it's well worth the investment. Now, moving to our final product, we have another Black & Decker that may be even more budget-friendly. Product number 5, Black & Decker 16-inch electric hedge trimmer. Next up, we have the Black & Decker 16-inch electric hedge trimmer, priced at $34. This compact model caught my eye due to its practicality for smaller jobs. If you're looking for something lightweight yet effective, this could be your pick. With a 3.0 amp motor, this trimmer can handle branches up to 5/8 inch thick, which is decent for general maintenance around your yard. Its compact design reduces fatigue during longer trimming sessions, making it easy to maneuver. Additionally, the cord retention system prevents accidental unplugging, so you can focus on your work. With a solid track record of over 2,000 sales last month, it shows it's a trusted option among users. Some reviews pointed out that the power might not be sufficient for heavy-duty tasks. But here's the thing, if you're just maintaining smaller hedges or flower beds, this model does the job efficiently without the bulk of larger trimmers. This is perfect for you if you have smaller plants or need a lightweight option for casual trimming. Skip this one if you're dealing with larger hedges regularly. Considering the price and performance, it's a great value. In conclusion, we've looked at 5 fantastic head trimmers today. The Fiskars offers serious power. The Sunjoe is great for small tasks. Black & Decker's 17-inch and 22-inch models cater to bigger projects, and the 16-inch is perfect for lighter jobs. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely an option here for you.